What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya, the best volatility indices trader, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a couple of entries that I managed to take using the powerful 1450 strategy. Yes, we're going to go through and go over the 1450 strategy, and we're going to look at how exactly it works. How exactly can you get these entries? Exactly can you win in a market like this? So I'm going to explain everything to you and how you can replicate it. Today we're starting off with V75, and we're going to be analyzing V75 using our strategy. We're going to be looking for tips and tricks on how best you can trade V75 and other volatility indices. I'm also going to show you some of the positions that I have. I think we have at about 3 volatility indices positions that are in profit. The other one is on Boom 1000. I have just posted this trade in our VIP signals group, and we're currently riding in profit. Let me just quickly show you so that you guys can have an idea of what happened. So we're deep in profit right now, as you can see, and I'm going to show you guys how you can also do it on volatility indices. Okay, so the first thing obviously that we need to do is to have a setup for the strategy, and once we have that, we have to look into the conditions that have to be met each and every time you decide to take an entry. I'm also going to show you a special type of entry that is required if you miss our conditions, and you also be able to be profitable. Remember, the market does not always give you the perfect setups, so you have to think, and you have to look at your strategy and what it is saying. You have to have the deeper meaning. You can't just have the surface meaning, because everyone will be able to get it. Remember, the market is a tricky place, and it is more controlled by the emotions of the market, of the people in the market, more than even price action. Your price action, I know a lot of people that say price action is the only thing that you should use. Indicators don't work. Indicators are lagging. Let me show you that indicators are not lagging, and let me show you that you can even be faster than price action using indicators. It's all about your interpretation of the market and of the strategy. So let's just jump into how you can set it up. This is a long trade, by the way. Some of you can just say, how can I brag about a small movement? This is not a small movement. This is going to be a big movement, and you're going to see how it is going to be a big movement just now. So the first thing that we'll obviously need are the indicators. Some of you have already sent them, but let's just go through them, because I understand there might be people that are watching this video for the first time. So the first indicator that you need is a moving average, and this moving average is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 14 right here. The shift is going to be 0. The method is going to be exponential. Apply to close. There are no levels on this indicator, and on visualization, keep it on all time frames for the rest of the indicators that we're going to be installing. All right, and then the style, let's just change the color to green, and then click done. And as you can see, we now have that green moving average on our charts. The next one is also a moving average. The only thing that we're going to change is the period. I'm going to change it to 50. Everything else remains the same. I'm going to pick this red color for this one, and then click done. As you can see, we now have the red and green line on our charts. Okay, then we're going to need an indicator window one that is made up of, firstly, the stochastic oscillator. It has got the following properties that you see on my screen. Take note of these two levels. We've got a buy zone, which is level 20, and we've got a sell zone, which is level 80. Please take note of these zones. They're very important. And when you're styling, please make sure that your main and your signal have the same color as your background. So I've got white on my background chart. That's why I chose white on the main and the signal. So if I click done, you see that down here we now have a stochastic oscillator, but it only has our levels, which is exactly what we want. We want this 80 level to 100 to be our sell zone, and we want this 20 level to 0 to be our buy zone. Okay, and then the last indicator that we will need is going to go under our indicator window one, and it is going to be a moving average, but this time we're going to change the period to 10. Everything else can remain the same, and the color, I'll just change it to black so that we can distinguish them from each other. Okay, so click done, and as you can see, we now have that black moving average on our charts. So this is the whole strategy. Some of you can already tell why we ended into a sell trade, but I'm just going to explain even further. Now, this one was a little bit of a tricky trade. As you can see, the position that I ended it on, it was best on a swing trade position. So I started off in my 1 hour time frame and I waited for all three conditions to occur in my 1 hour time frame. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that we do top down analysis and go to lower time frames to find confirmations, right? But this time, since this is a swing trade, I want to find all my three conditions in my 1 hour time frame. I'm not going to go to lower time frames, but I'm going to wait for all conditions to be met from the 1 hour time frame, and this gives us a chance to get into a swing position trade. Okay, I hope you guys can get it. So the first thing that you do if you want to enter into a sell trade, or the first condition actually, is obviously you want to have this black line approaching to be in your sell zone, and right there we can see that at this stage our black line had approached to be our sell zone. So this automatically becomes a very resistant level, and we can understand that just by using that black line on our charts, which is our momentum indicator. The second thing, I still wanted to have a break of market structure, of course, because I cannot enter into a bullish market structure. This one was the bullish market structure that was occurring. I needed to wait for that bullish market structure to be broken and to form a bearish market structure. Okay, and like I said, you can only find that by having candlesticks crossing to be below the green line. Crossing to be below the green line. This is breaking of market structure. Some of you guys from price action would say the market is no longer making higher highs, but it was now setting lower highs, right? And lower lows, and that means that the market is now bearish, of course, right? So right here you can see around that region as well, we're seeing break of market structure. Candlesticks were crossing to be below our green line, indicating that we are now entering into a sell momentum. As you can see right here, all the candlesticks were above our green line, and this means that we were in a bullish momentum. But once you see them going below the green line, then we are in a bearish momentum. Okay, and then the third condition that I waited for, of course, was having the golden cross, whereby the green line and the red line cross each other right there, and that is your final confirmation for a sell trade. So I was a little bit late for this one, but I wasn't that late because it fully formed around here. I think an hour late, but remember, this is a swing trade. I'm going to hold this for days, if not weeks. Okay, so that's how I managed to catch that beautiful swing trade on V75. It's very relaxed. You can use the smallest lot size when you want to trade like this, and you hold for days. But trust me, the payout is even better than people that do intraday trading, and you have less stress when handling your trades. You're more comfortable. You know that this is going to take a while. You can even forget about it, go to work, do some other things. So that's the beauty of having this analysis. So this is what I did on V75 for deep in profit right now. I sent this to my VIP on Volatility Indices. Yes, we've got a VIP signals for Volatility Indices. If you want to be part of that, contact us. Feel free to contact us again. Okay, let's look at a different index. Let's look at V10 and see why we entered into this buy trade. Okay, on VS, I think we started off from the 30-minute time frame exactly, and this is a short trade actually. I'm going to close it very soon, because from your price action, I think you can see we were actually bullish. No, sorry, we were bearish. As you can see, your trend lines are pointing down. Don't know why I said bullish. It's a bearish market structure. We had this, right? But our indicator was even ahead of price action. First thing, black line was in our buy zone, so already I knew we might enter into a buy trade. Second thing, break of market structure right here. We're just coming from this bound on our trend line, and we broke candlesticks cross to be above the green line this time. Remember, we're going up, so they have to cross to be above. If you are selling, they have to cross to be below, but if you are buying, cross to be above like this. And in the 15-minute time frame, we managed to see the golden cross happening here. I think in the 5-minute again, it okayed right there. Yeah, so the golden cross was actually right here in the 5-minute time frame. Could have managed to get it a little bit earlier than where we got it from the 15-minute time frame. So can you see how powerful this strategy is? And the good part is your time frames are confirming your trades with you. They are confirming. Remember, You do your analysis from a high time frame, and up to the 5-minute time frame, it is still confirming your trade. Can you imagine how powerful that means? That all your time frames are agreeing that this is a buy trade. Because in the 5-minute time frame, you can already see the golden cross, whereby the red line and the green line are crossing each other. And we said that when that golden cross happens, it means you're entering into a buy trade. And the green line actually went above the red line, showing that it is a buy trade, right? And from the 30-minute time frame, we managed to pick up that we might likely get into a buy trade. Remember, okay? So that's how we ended this beautiful buy trade. I'm about to close it because I'm good with the profits. We are deep in profit right now, as you can see, and we had a slight drawdown. Actually, the market pushed down, we bounced on our red line there, went down but didn't break our previous low, which was fine, which means that it is not breaking your market structure, right? Let's look at lastly V25, and let's see what we did on V25. So V25 was a buy trade. We actually need right now. It was a buy trade, self-explanatory, almost exactly the same as the previous entry, and we managed to capitalize on that. If you go to a 15-minute time frame, you'll be able to see clearer how we are moving, how everything is structured. Guys, let me know if you want to be taught this strategy one-on-one and find the tips and tricks of it. I'll be posting this strategy again in our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. It's completely free to join. You'll be able to find setups, signals, strategies, books, indicators. Everything is in that free Telegram channel. It's almost at 8,000 traders, so it's a big trading community, and it's free for you to join and assess our work and see what we have been up to. If you're interested in booming crash and volatility indices, you'll be very happy to be in that Telegram channel, because I post everything about those topics. So feel free to join us. It's completely free to join. Just click the link in the description box below and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel. And remember, on each and every video I give away a free spot in our VIP signals group, and I'm going to put the screenshot for our winner right now on the screen. And congratulations, you can contact us and you'll be able to be added to our VIP signals group for free. And some of you might be wondering why I'm adding them for free. Basically, all you have to do is to make sure that you are a subscriber of this channel. Make sure that you like this video and you comment the best comment in the comment section right down below. Okay, and the best winner is going to win in the next video, probably tomorrow. So rush to the comment section. Make sure that you comment something that is sense and that is got more engagement, and I'll be able to pick a winner from the comment section. So if you want to try your luck and chance, comment down below and you might be the winner of 30 days of our VIP signals group. Basically, you'll be trading with me for 30 days every day in our VIP signals group, getting into the same trades I'm entering, getting into the same setups that I'm getting. So rush and comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and make sure that you are a subscriber, because I'm going to ask you if you've liked and if you are a subscriber. Until next time.